Hi everyone, Liam here. Today I'm going to start teaching you about how to do hand rolls. Generally, a lot of people get into contact juggling because they've seen Labyrinth. I'd say probably about 70% of you are here because of that and want to learn the moves of Michael Motion, who is basically the inventor of contact juggling. He had his arms underneath David Bowie in Labyrinth and created a lot of these beautiful moves. So to start with, we're just going to learn palm to cradle index roll. That's what it's called, yes. So, starters, we're going to learn the cradle. So, you're going to take the ball, place it on the back of your hand like this. I prefer to dip the middle finger and just create a cradle, which is why it's called a cradle, obviously. Some people like to just balance it in between their index and middle finger. I prefer this one. It's all up to you. Try it both ways and see what works for you. Okay, so we've got our two stall positions. Okay, we're going to try and get comfortable doing this. So just with the ball sitting just on our 3 fingers there, and just in this cradle. We're going to move the cradle around, up and down, both hands, and palm as well. Okay, now for the first roll. Are you ready? I know you are. Okay, we're going to start. Ball in palm like this, and then we're going to throw the ball up and try and catch it in the cradle. Okay, just throwing it straight up and catching it in the cradle. Once we've got that, we can, from the cradle, throw it up, catch in the palm, okay? So we're just going to practice that over and over, both hands. Okay, once you're comfortable doing this, we're going to make sure we're throwing the ball at the same height all the time, or try to. So, let's say we're going to throw it up about that high. But as we get comfortable, instead of throwing it and catching it, we're going to follow the ball up and roll the ball over, catch like this, okay? And that is going to be your index roll. And we're just going to do this back and forth, over and over, okay? And then onto the other hand. And that is your index roll. Once we've got the index roll, we're going to try a figure 8, okay? This is a bit trickier, but you can do it, okay? So when we do it, we're going to start with in our palm, roll across our body in an arc like this, and then index roll back, lift and come back, okay? And this will create our lovely figure 8 pattern. Both hands, and that is going to be your first one-handed index roll, okay? You can go big, you can go small, you can play around with it a lot. But yeah, just start with that, have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.